Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs on Jawaharlal Nehru. Before starting the video, let us know a little bit about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was a central figure in Indian politics before and after independence. He was the first Prime Minister of India and a key leader of the Indian National Congress. Nehru was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad, India. He was educated in England at Harrow School and later at Trinity College, Cambridge, and the Inner Temple, where he trained as a barrister. Nehru returned to India and became involved in the nationalist movement, joining the Indian National Congress. He rose to prominence in the 1920s and became a close associate of Gandhi. Nehru was a staunch advocate of complete independence from British rule. He was imprisoned several times by the British for his involvement in the independence movement. After India gained independence in 1947, Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. He held his position until his death in 1964. During his tenure, he implemented policies aimed at industrialization, social reform, and the development of a secular state. Nehru was one of the founding leaders of the non-aligned movement, which sought to establish a third way for countries that did not want to align with either the United States or the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Nehru's vision for India included a focus on education, science and technology, leading to establishment of institutions like the Indian Institutes of Technology. His daughter Indira Gandhi also served as a Prime Minister of India. Nehru was also a prolific writer. Some of his well-known works include The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, and his autobiography Toward Freedom. So, let's start. The first question is, when was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Option A, 1889. Option B, 1899. Option C, 1901. Option D, 1905. The correct answer is option A, 1889. The next question is, in which city was Nehru born? Option A, Bombay. Option B, Allahabad. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Kolkata. The correct answer is option B, Allahabad. The next question is, which school did Nehru attend in England? Option A, Eton. Option B, Harrow. Option C, Rugby. Option D, Winchester. Answer is option A, Harrow. The next question is, from which university did Nehru graduate in law? Option A, Oxford. Option B, Cambridge. Option C, London School of Economics. Option D, University of London. Answer is option B, Cambridge. Next question is, which profession did Nehru qualify for in England? Option A, doctor. Option B, lawyer. Option C, engineer. Option D, architect. Answer is option B, lawyer. The next question is, when did Nehru join the Indian National Congress? Option A, 1916. Option B, 1920. Option C, 1922. Option D, 1924. Answer is option B, 1920. The next question is, who was Nehru's political mentor? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Sardar Patel. Option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is, Nehru became the president of the Indian National Congress for the first time in option A, 1929, option B, 1931, option C, 1933, option D, 1935. Answer is option A, 1929. Next question is, where was the famous Lahore session where Nehru declared the aim of complete independence held? Option A, Calcutta, option B, Lahore, option C, Bombay, option D, Madras. Answer is option B, Lahore. Next question is, in which year did Jawaharlal Nehru serve as the interim Prime Minister of India? Option A, 1945, option B, 1946, option C, 1947, option D, 1948. Answer is option B, 1946. The next question is, when did Nehru become the first Prime Minister of independent India? Option A, 15 August 1947, option B, 26 January 1950, option C, 15 August 1948, option D, 26 January 1949. Answer is option A, 15 August 1947. The next question is, which of the following was Nehru's economic policy focus? Option A, capitalism, option B, communism, option C, mixed economy, option D, laissez-faire. Answer is option C, mixed economy. The next question is, which plan is associated with the industrialization policy under Nehru's leadership? Option A, Bombay Plan, option B, 5-year plan, option C, Green Revolution Plan, option D, White Revolution Plan. Answer is option B, 5-year plan. The next question is, which international movement was Nehru a founding member of? Option A, NATO, option B, non-aligned movement, option C, CETO, option D, CENTO. Answer is option B, non-aligned movement. The next question is, in which year did the Sino-Indian War take place during Nehru's tenure? Option A, 1959, option B, 1960, option C, 1962, option D, 1963. Answer is option C, 1962. The next question is, what was the name of Nehru's daughter who also became Prime Minister of India? Option A, Sarojini Naidu, option B, Indira Gandhi, option C, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, option D, Sucheta Kriplani. Answer is option B, Indira Gandhi. The next question is, which book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru? Option A, Discovery of India, option B, My Experiments with Truth, option C, Gitanjali, option D, Undo This Last. Answer is option A, Discovery of India. The next question is, Nehru's birthday is celebrated as which special day in India? Option A, Teachers' Day, option B, Children's Day, option C, Republic Day. Option D, Independence Day. Answer is option B, Children's Day. The next question is, in which year did Jawaharlal Nehru pass away? Option A, 1962. Option B, 1963. Option C, 1964. Option D, 1965. Answer is option C, 1964. The next question is, which philosophy did Nehru propagate that combined socialism and democracy? Option A, Fabianism. Option B, Gandhism. Option C, Nehruvian socialism. Option D, Maoism. Answer is option C, Nehruvian socialism. The next question is, which major dam project was initiated under Nehru's government? Option A, Bhakra Nangal Dam. Option B, Tehri Dam. Option C, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Option D, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Answer is option A, Bhakra Nangal Dam. The next question is, Nehru played a key role in establishment of which research institution? Option A, ISRO. Option B, BARC. Option C, IITs. Option D, DRDO. Answer is option C, IITs. The next question is, under Nehru's leadership, India became a republic in which year? Option A, 1947. Option B, 1948. Option C, 1950. Option D, 1952. Answer is option C, 1950. The next question is, Nehru's approach towards international relations was based on which principle? Option A, alignment with the West. Option B, alignment with the East. Option C, non-alignment. Option D, isolationism. Answer is option C, non-alignment. The next question is, which award was posthumously given to Nehru in 1964? Option A, Bharat Ratna. Option B, Padma Vibhushan. Option C, Padma Bhushan. Option D, Gandhi Peace Prize. Answer is option A, Bharat Ratna. The next question is, Nehru's policy in which sector led to green revolution in India? Option A, industrialization. Option B, agriculture. Option C, defense. Option D, education. Answer is option B, agriculture. The next question is, which agreement did Nehru sign with Pakistan in 1950 to address minority rights? Option A, Tashkent Agreement. Option B, Nehru-Liaquat Pact. Option C, Indus Waters Treaty. Option D, Shimla Agreement. Answer is option B, Nehru-Liaquat Pact. The next question is, the term Panchsheel associated with Nehru refers to principles agreed with which country? Option A, Pakistan. Option B, China. Option C, USA. Option D, USSR. Answer is option B, China. The next question is, Nehru's vision for India's economy was primarily driven by option A, free market policies. Option B, Soviet style planned economy. Option C, mixed economy. Option D, complete privatization. Answer is option C, mixed economy. Next question is, Nehru was strong advocate of which type of government? Option A, monarchy. Option B, dictatorship. Option C, democracy. Option D, oligarchy. Answer is option C, democracy. The next question is, Nehru's famous speech Tryst with Destiny was delivered on option A, 26 January 1950. Option B, 15 August 1947. Option C, 26 January 1947. Option D, 15 August 1950. Answer is option B, 15 August 1947. The next question is, Nehru described which state as a jewel in the crown of India? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Kashmir. Option C, Punjab. Option D, Gujarat. Answer is option B, Kashmir. The next question is, Nehru's vision for industrialization led to the establishment of which of these cities? Option A, Gurgaon. Option B, Noida. Option C, Chandigarh. Option D, Gandhinagar. Answer is option C, Chandigarh. The next question is, which organization did Nehru refer to as temples of modern India? Option A, educational institutions. Option B, heavy industries and dams. Option C, parliament. Option D, libraries. Answer is option B, heavy industries and dams. The next question is, Nehru's autobiography is titled option A, Towards Freedom. Option C, The Story of My Life. Option C, An Autobiography. Option D, My Experiments with Truth. Answer is option C, An Autobiography. The next question is, Nehru was known for his speeches at the option A, Red Fort. Option B, Parliament. Option C, United Nations. Option D, both A and B. Answer is option D, both A and B. The next question is, what was the name of Nehru's wife? Option A, Kamala Nehru. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Option D, Sucheta Kriplani. Answer is option A, Kamala Nehru. The next question is, Nehru's famous discovery of India was written during his imprisonment in option A, Naini Jail. Option B, Ahmednagar Fort. Option C, Cellular Jail. Option D, Andaman Jail. Answer is option B, Ahmednagar Fort. The next question is, Nehru's policy of industrialization led to the establishment of option A, LIC. Option B, ONGC. Option C, Air India. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is Nehru's approach to science and technology was influenced by option A Western Industrial Revolution, option B traditional Indian knowledge, option C Soviet scientific advancements, option D none of the above. Answer is option A Western Industrial Revolution. The next question is Nehru was an advocate of which educational philosophy? Option A traditional Gurukul system, option B modern scientific education, option C religious education, option D military education. Answer is option B modern scientific education. The next question is Nehru's term for the Indian Constitution's ideal was option A democracy and socialism, option B dictatorship and communism, option C feudalism and monarchy, option D imperialism and capitalism. Answer is option A democracy and socialism. The next question is Nehru's vision for India included the promotion of option A secularism, option B communalism, option C feudalism, option D imperialism. Answer is option A secularism. The next question is which movement was Nehru not directly associated with? Option A non-cooperation movement, option B Quit India movement, option C Khilafat movement, option D civil disobedience movement. Answer is option C Khilafat movement. The next question is the first IIT established in India during Nehru's tenure was located in option A Mumbai, option B Delhi, option C Kharagpur, option D Chennai. Answer is option C Kharagpur. The next question is Nehru believed in the principle of option A Pax Britannica, option B Pax Americana, option C Panchsheel, option D Realpolitik. Answer is option C Panchsheel. The next question is which major event did Nehru oversee in 1956? Option A Indian Reorganization Act, option B nationalization of banks, option C States Reorganization Act, option D abolition of privy purses. Answer is option C States Reorganization Act. The next question is Nehru's foreign policy was characterized by option A alignment with the USA, option B alignment with the USSR, option C non-alignment, option D isolationism. Answer is option C non-alignment. The next question is Nehru's approach to economic development was inspired by option A Soviet model of central planning, option B American model of capitalism, option C Gandhian model of village industries, option D British model of colonial economy. Answer is option A Soviet model of central planning. The next question is Nehru was instrumental in establishing which cultural institution? Option A Sangeet Natak Academy, option B Lalit Kala Academy, option C Sahitya Academy, option D all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which organization did Nehru help to found in 1949? Option A, NAM. Option B, SARC. Option C, Commonwealth of Nations. Option D, NATO. Answer is option C, Commonwealth of Nations. The next question is, Nehru's vision of India included the development of option A, heavy industry, option B, agriculture, option C, infrastructure, option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, Nehru's effort in education led to the establishment of option A, UGC, option B, AIMS, option C, CSIR, option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, Nehru's foreign policy was tested by the invasion of option A, Tibet by China, option B, Kashmir by Pakistan, option C, Goa by Portugal, option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the term Panchshil refers to how many principles? Option A, 3, option B, 4, option C, 5, option D, 6. Answer is option C, 5. Next question is, Nehru promoted the idea of scientific temper in option A, literature, option B, politics, option C, society, option D, religion. Answer is option C, society. The next question is, Nehru laid the foundation for which Indian space organization? Option A, DRDO, option B, BRC, option C, ISRO, option D, HAL. Answer is option C, ISRO.